Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled amidst lush green hills, there lived a wise old herbalist named Amara. She was renowned far and wide for her exceptional knowledge of medicinal herbs and natural remedies. Her greatest secret, however, lay in a hidden garden where she cultivated 10 extraordinary plants, each possessing powerful antibiotic properties. 1. Garlic. In Amara's garden grew a special variety of garlic with golden-hued cloves. Consuming this garlic not only enhanced the flavor of food but also bolstered the body's immune system, keeping infections at bay. 2. Turmeric. Bright yellow turmeric roots were another gem in her garden. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties helped in healing wounds and alleviating various ailments. 3. Honey. Heal all. Amara had a thriving colony of honeybees that collected nectar from a wide array of medicinal flowers. The honey they produced was a potent antibiotic, effective against many bacterial strains. 4. Mint. A corner of her garden was dedicated to the aromatic and refreshing mint plants. Mint leaves, when infused in tea or applied as a poultice, provided relief from respiratory infections and skin irritations. 5. Marigold. The bright and cheerful marigold flowers had more to offer than just their beauty. Their antifungal and antibacterial properties were essential in treating wounds and preventing infections. 6. Aloe. Large aloe vera plants thrived in the sunlit area of the garden. Their cooling gel was an excellent natural antibiotic for burns, cuts, and skin irritations. 7. Thyme. The tiny purple blossoms of thyme carried an intense aroma and potent antibacterial qualities. It was a staple in Amara's kitchen, used generously in cooking to ward off infections. 8. Lavender. The soothing scent of lavender wafted through the air in her garden. Lavender oil possessed powerful antimicrobial properties, and was known to promote relaxation and healing. 9. Echinacea Elixir. Among the vibrant flowers stood the purple echinacea, a natural immune booster. Its roots and leaves, when brewed into a tea, could help fend off common infections. 10. Ginger. In a corner near the stone wall grew ginger, a robust and spicy root with strong antibacterial properties. Ginger tea was a favorite of the villagers during the cold season to keep illnesses at bay. One day, news of a widespread illness reached the village. The usual remedies seemed to be ineffective against this new and virulent strain of infection. People fell sick one after another, and fear spread like wildfire. The village elders called upon Amara for help.